How does a man know what a beautiful woman is? Is it the ladies at the Mercy Mission, Cheryl Brown, and the people that told me God loved me before he knew me? Is it Ann Carpenter, opened her house and her heart to me all my life? Maybe it was Miss Fowler, Mary Jane. Every time I showed up, she showed up. She did whatever I needed anytime I needed. Perhaps it was June Gladfeld, 8 kids of her own. Saturday morning, that meant 2 more pancakes and another piece of meat. We're all getting in a van, we're all going to church. I'm not sure exactly when I recognized a beautiful woman, but I've been around a lot of them. My aunts, my mother, my sisters. Betty Richardson. I see a lot in Barrett that I see in you all. And I want to thank you for that example, because I wouldn't know. And then I want to thank 2 gentlemen over here, Mr. Wayne Nichols, that took 2 words out of my vocabulary that helped me ask her. He took I can't out of my vocabulary when I was in the 9th grade and replace it with you can. And then showed me how to do it. And then there's also Mr. George Finley, who for 20 years lifted a neighborhood up on his own shoulders. And he told me anybody can be a character, but it takes a special person to show character. And I thank you for that, and I love you for that. And that's all I got.